Hi guys, I hope you're all having an awesome day. In today's video, I'm gonna quickly review the newer Pro 4-way macro focusing rail, which I purchased from Amazon about a week ago and it arrived in the mail yesterday. I already did a bit of testing last night. I took 82 shots of a fly's face and stacked those images in Serene Stacker, and the end result was pretty good. I'll show you at the end of the video. I'm gonna just talk a little bit about the build quality and the specs of this little unit. Let's have a look. So this is the newer Pro 4-way macro focusing rail slider with a 1/4-inch quick shoe plate, which is compatible with Canon, Nikon, Pentax and most major camera brands. It is extremely good for close-up shooting. The rail has a durable metal slider and the geared drive system, which enhances accuracy. Also has locking knobs to make sure that the focus is rock steady. The sliding can be adjusted in 4 directions with 2 rails: forward, backward, left and right. From front to back, the maximum movement distance is 6.5 centimeters, which is approximately 2.5 inches. And from left to right, the movement distance is a little bit longer, 7.5 centimeters or close to 3 inches. This allows precise camera to subject the focusing. It comes with a wrench and you can control the sliding friction. About the compatibility, the rail is equipped with an integrated archetype quick release clamp and also comes with an archetype plate. I've already tried this out yesterday with my Gitso tripod and it worked flawlessly. The plate uses a 1/4-inch screw mount compatible with most camera brands, and the rail can also be mounted on most tripods utilizing the bottom 1/4-inch and the 3/8-inch tripod mounting threads. It is relatively lightweight at around 600 grams or 1.3 pounds. The load capacity based on the specs is quite impressive, but I wouldn't push it that far. They say 10 kilograms, but I wouldn't go above 3 to 4 kilograms. Overall, I'm really happy with it. It looks pretty good, it feels good, the build quality is surprisingly good. I'm gonna do a full review maybe in a year's time or so, but as I said, this was just a small investment. I wanted to do a bit of practicing. It was almost impossible to take high magnification ratio shots without a slider, especially with the newly purchased Laowa 25mm ultra macro lens. Thanks guys for watching this video. I hope you got some useful information out of this quick review. I'm really happy overall with this purchase. It was a small investment, and as I said in my previous video, one of my previous videos, I just wanted to practice first before investing a substantial amount of money into a motorized rail. In my next video, I'm going to show you my workflow, how I take deep stack shots, and the subject is going to be a small cicada that I found in our garden. Hopefully that's going to work out as well. Thanks again for watching. Please, if you enjoyed the video, hit subscribe and the like button, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.